Well, it's a crisis-like situation. And in a crisis-like situation, if not handled correctly and appropriately, wisely, and with some willfulness, it may well become a catastrophe. And I call it catastrophe because what the situation at hand is essentially one of betrayal of faith. And not just betrayal of faith, the constitutional promise of fairness on which our judicial system is established. What we have seen can be broken down into many different components. One, it shows that the trust or the fiduciary duty which a judge has toward the public at large, which is epitomized in its fairness, is totally compromised. Two, as to the process, to the extent it is supposed to be equal and effective, is shown not to be present. And three, the purpose for which this entire system is devised is to a large extent compromised. Now, if that is so, then it will seem that the institution is ineffective, and those who are, and if the action is not taken against people like Justice Verma, then the deterrence or the threat of action, which will in some way prevent repetition of these, will not be available, creating a culture of impunity. Keeping all these things in mind, I feel that the impeachment is warranted and necessary, but I don't think impeachment by itself is effective enough. And in the peculiar circumstances which are prevailing, I think it will be justified if criminal prosecution is also initiated against Justice Verma, because there is good and adequate and substantial cause for initiating such proceedings against him. And while the impeachment process will have political ramifications, as far as the legal process is concerned, the legal process, I think, would have far greater value and worth than the impeachment, and the two can go together.